Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Emma. How's it going?
Hey, Alex. Not bad. Just trying to improve my English. You?
Same here. Been focusing on daily conversations. Helps a lot.
Really? What kind of daily stuff do you talk about?
All sorts. Like, what's your favorite breakfast?
Pancakes, definitely. What about you?
I'm more of an omelet guy. Ever tried adding veggies?
Yeah, love it. Especially with cheese. Laugh so. What else do you talk about?
Weather's always a good one. Like, isn't it hot today? Laughs.
Yeah, or looks like it might rain. Simple but effective.
Exactly. Also, a skin about plans. What are you up to this weekend?
Oh, that's a good one. I've got a family barbecue. You?
Gonna hang out with friends. Maybe watch a movie.
Nice. What movie?
Not sure yet. Any recommendations?
How about a comedy? Always good for a laugh.
True. What's your favorite comedy?
I love The Hangover. Hilarious.
Classic. I like Superbad. So funny.
That one's great too. These convos are actually pretty fun.
They are. And the more you practice, the easier it gets.
Yeah, I'm feeling more confident already. Thanks, Alex.
No problem, Emma. Wanna keep this up?
Definitely. Let's make it a daily thing.
Sounds like a plan. Talk tomorrow?
For sure. See ya then.
See ya.
Hey, Alex. Ready for our daily convo?
You bet, Emma. What's today's topic?
How about hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
I'm really into photography. Love capturing moments. You?
That's awesome. I love painting. It's so relaxing.
Wow, that's cool. Ever painted outside, like in nature?
Yeah, did it once at a park. The scenery was beautiful. Ever taken photos in nature?
Absolutely. Nature shots are the best. Ever try combining your paintings with photos?
Never thought of that. Could be interesting. How do you choose your photo subjects?
Mostly what catches my eye, like interesting shadows or patterns. What about your painting inspirations?
Mostly emotions and nature. Sometimes I just start and see where it goes.
That's a creative way to do it. Ever sold any of your paintings?
Not yet, but I've thought about it. You ever thought about doing a photography exhibit?
Yeah, it's a dream. Need to build a good collection first.
You'll get there. Maybe we can collaborate one day. Paintings and photos together.
That'd be amazing. Let's make it happen someday.
For sure. Any other hobbies?
I like playing guitar. Just for fun. You?
I bake sometimes. Love making cupcakes.
Nice. What's your specialty?
Red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. Always a hit.
Sounds delicious. You should bring some next time.
Will do. You'll have to play guitar for me then.
Deal. This is fun, Emma. I'm learning a lot about you.
Same here, Alex. It's great practice and fun too.
Definitely. Ready for tomorrow's chat?
Can't wait. See ya then.
See ya.